Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a voiceover on a PowerPoint presentation. So you notice here what I have done is when we go up here to the top, after I have made my presentation, I'm going to go to slideshow, which I've already clicked on here. And then you notice I have some different things here. I can do record slideshow. That's what I'm going to do. Now I'm on the first slide, so I could sit and hit record from current slide, or I can just hit record from the beginning, so I would do that. And now notice I have this shows up here. And then I could have notes in here since I had no notes that I typed previously. Those notes would have been here, so like I could sit here and write my intro. Right, and now if I go back and start this, record from the beginning, click this down, my readings are here. And then I have some other abilities, like if I wanted to use a write on the screen, I can write, I can highlight. Notice here, this tells me that I could mute it if I wanted. If I wanted an image of myself with a webcam, I could turn that on, and lo and behold, it would show up here. I don't have to have that, and I prefer to keep that off. So I'm going to leave that there. But once I have everything set up, then all I have to do is now hit record, and this will be interesting because I'm recording this while recording this. So now I would do this, and it's going to go here. The title of my study is Comparison of EMG Activity During and Recovery from 3 Methods of Squatting. Welcome to the demo. And now I would stop. Okay, so if I am now done there, I would do that on all those. And you'll notice that I have this down here, which shows you this is the audio that I have done. Now, as I would have gone through, if I would have done more slides and if I would have kept clicking, I'm going to go to the next slide here. So I don't erase the other one here. So if I recorded on this one and then move to the next, I'm now recording on this slide, and now I'm going to move to the next slide, and then I'm going to move to the next slide. All right, and now I'm going to stop. PowerPoint will record the timing of all of that, and so that information will then be available on there. Now, again, you can see these, and typically what I do when I get these is, one, I do make sure to click on them, go to Audio Tools, and then sometimes I'll hide them, but usually they aren't visible. Now, just to make sure whether they're visible or not, I'm going to play the presentation.
All right, and now I'm going to stop.
And so notice there again, you could hear it. It didn't show these, so I know things are good there. When I'm finally said and done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here, and then I'm going to go to Export. And then I'm going to create a video, leave it as this, and then when I click on Create Video, it'll convert this to an MP4 file, and then I will be able to be done.